This is a room tour of 9224, deck 9. This is a junior suite. Has a doorbell. So this has the 2 bathrooms, which is nice. Light on this. So we got a tub. And then over here we have the second bathroom. So if you have a family, works out perfect. So on the back of your door you have your muster station, and then your do not disturb, and making your room here. Put this on the outside of your door when you're ready to leave. And then here's your light switches. You have to have a card in here, otherwise everything shuts off. This is your bathroom light. These are your 2 main lights here. Over here is you got a digital thermostat and your 2 light switches for the room. Plenty of storage in this unit. And then a small safe. 2 drawers for storage here. On your next to your bed you have 1 outlet, and then your light switch here. More storage down there. Over here you have more storage. And on this side of the bed here you got your phone. Another outlet, more storage. This room actually has the bunk bed coming out of the ceiling here, so that's what the ladder's in here for. And you got 6 drawers of storage. This drawer here has your tissues and your hair dryer. And over here is your little cooler. It does have a coffee maker, which is nice. Little desk here. You have 2 outlets here and 2 USBs. A lighted mirror. I also like to bring my fan. This comes in handy because the rooms get kind of stuffy. Held up by magnets. So here's the view. It's a pretty good sized junior suite. Take you out to the balcony. Two lounges. Overall, this was a good location. It was kind of midship, easy access to the elevators. There's only 8 doors down from the elevator, so I would recommend this room. Pretty nice. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.